The chief minister of the state was from the Rayalaseema and Andhra region. And my question here is that why these areas were not developed? When the Hyderabad state or the Telangana state was merged in Andhra Pradesh, that time the Hyderabad state was a surplus state, yes or no? In 1870, the Hyderabad was a surplus by 1 lakh rupees, sir. In 1956, Hyderabad had 50 steel factories, 4 electrical manufacturing units, and units making sewing machine, electroplating and bone crushing work. City College 1920, Osmania University 1920, Osmania Medical College 1921, City College 1921, Marathwada Hindi Vidyalaya 1924, Hindi Vidyalaya Sikandrabad 1926, Physical Education College 1930, College of Veterinary Science 1946, Koti Women's College Nampally, First English Public School 1834, Roman Catholic School St. Francis 1850, St. Anne's 1861, St. William's Barton 1871, sir. Sir, and lastly, can this reality be denied that Hyderabad also had the Jagirdar School, which is now the Hyderabad Public School, where the leader of the house, who hails from Andhra Rayalaseema, studied there in that school. This is what is Hyderabad. And my honorable friend is not here, Mr. Ashok Gajpati Raju, who hails from Andhra region. He also studied in the Jagirdar College, Hyderabad Public School, created and born by the Nizam of Hyderabad. Can this be denied? I studied there. My brother studied there. Jagan Mohan Reddy studied there. Mr. Palam Raju studied there. There are many leaders who studied there. When they talk about Nizam, what he did? The Nizam, the government in 1897 launched the scholarship scheme for students to study abroad. And sir, does this house know? Do Mr. Chandrababu Naidu Sahab or Mr. Kiran Kumar Reddy knows that who was the beneficiary of the scholarship who studied there in London? Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, studied in London thanks to the Nizam's scholarship scheme which was there then. This is what the Nizam had contributed. The first post office was set up in 1856. I would like to ask, when was the first post office set up in Andhra and Rayalaseema? What did Nizam did? One says, what did Nizam do? And other says, I have done more than what Nizam did. Can you please name it out like this? It's a challenge, I'm telling you. Had its own power supply system. Hyderabad home to the first ever electricity board of South India. South India. This was Hyderabad. This was Hyderabad. And this is Hyderabad. And this was what Nizam has done. This was what Asif Jahi has done. And they say that they have done. By 1910, Hyderabad was producing powers. By 1910, Hyderabad was producing power on the banks of Hussain Sagar Lake. Power was being produced. And that power plant was leased out by who? By who? By who? By late N.T. Rama Rao Telugu Desam government. By Benami contract. 6 crores worth was achieved by selling that power plant. And they say they have developed. This assembly where you are sitting is also constructed by the late Nizam. The Nizam has contributed. Hyderabad state was a developed state. Hyderabad city was a developed state. Prosperous state. Nobody developed it. It was a developed state. The Nizams have developed it. And we with an open heart and open hands accepted and welcomed everybody, thinking that Indians are welcome in any part of India, and tomorrow also anybody from any part of India is welcome to Hyderabad or welcome to Telangana. नाचना नहीं आया तो आंगन टेढ़ा बोलते। मैं हकीकत बयान कर रहा हूं तो तकलीफ क्यों हो रही है? What I am saying is right or wrong? Because of the mentality prevailing in the minds of Rayalaseema and Andhra leaders, whether it is from this side or this side, both have the same mentality. Hyderabad is a developed place. Hyderabad was not underdeveloped. If you are fighting for a cause of united Andhra Pradesh, If you're fighting for it, be on track. Fight for the cause. Dedicate yourself for the cause. Sacrifice yourself for the cause. By you deviating from your cause and talking about Nizam shows how sincere and committed you are towards keeping the state united. And the people of Andhra and Rayalaseema are seeing them. And now it is open for them how sincere they are. First, I want to know who the people of Rayalaseema and Andhra trusted them and thought that the state will not be bifurcated. Why are you bringing Nizam? You brought Nizam and forced Akbar Owaisi to come for the rescue of the Nizam. And I came. Hyderabad state was a surplus state. Hyderabad state was a developed state. Hyderabad city was a developed state, prosperous state in all walks of life. Do you agree with the stand taken by Mr. Shailajanath?
1 second.
I want the Chief Minister to clarify on that.